Hello everyone, my name is Mokshika. I study in class 5B. Today I am going to show you an experiment. But before experiment, I will tell you the definition of antacid. The antacid is made up of two words, anti plus acid. Anti means opposite or against, and acid means chemical nature. So those antacids agents neutralizes the overflow of acid in our stomach. These are basic in nature. So to do experiment, I have taken vinegar, food color, antacid and baking soda and one glass. Now let's start the experiment. First, I will put vinegar, now I will put food color. Now I will put baking soda. Oh, it is looking so beautiful. Now I will put antacid. Bubbles are coming down. Now again I will put some baking soda into it. Let's see how it is working. Working very nicely because the bubbles have already gone down and the bubbles are not coming up. So antacid is working very nicely. So this is my experiment. Thank you.